Now in this sum, we have been given the ages of persons who visited a museum. You have to find out the median age of the person visiting the museum. Now the age that is given to you is less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60. Fine. And the number of persons for this less than 10 is 3, 10, 22, 40, 50, 71, so on for each of these classes. Now as such, if you can see, the classes are given to us in less than form. Less than form means this becomes the cumulative frequency. Number of persons over here representing the persons who are visiting the museum. This is given to us in the form of cumulative frequency. Because here the classes are, you are not given the true limits of the classes. You are just given the upper limit 10, 20, 30, 40, less than 10. Okay. So means at the most it will be 10, not more than that. So this gives us the cumulative frequency. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to write the classes with their true limits. So here we begin with the class now. Okay. So here you have your class. This class is less than 10. Now if you have a look at the age cannot be negative. So your lower limit, true lower limit for this class will be 0. So this becomes 0 to 10. Now remember, for median we need the classes to be continuous. Okay. So this 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Okay. So you got the classes with your true limits when you were given in less than form. Fine. Now this is the cumulative frequency, dear students. So we have to find out the frequency, that is the actual number of persons here. That means this will represent your frequency. Now how do we find out the frequency from the cumulated frequency? Okay. So this is the first class. For this the number of person is 3. Here it will be 3 only. Now to find out the frequency of the next class, you subtract 3 from 10. So 10 minus 3 will give you how much? It will give you 7. Okay. Now 22 minus 10, the next frequency, 22 minus 10, you will have to subtract the consecutive cumulative frequencies. So 22 minus 10 will give you 12. Then 40 minus 22. Here you will get 18. Fine. Then 54 minus 40. So that will give you 14. And 71 minus 54. That will give you 17. Fine. Okay. So what will be the sum over here? The sum should come out to be 71. See. 10 and 12, 22. 22 and 18, that will give you 40. 40 and 14, that will give you 54. And 54 plus 17, that gives you 71. Are you getting that? So from this cumulative frequency, we have found the frequency in this manner. So your n is 71. So what will be your n by 2? Because for frequency you need half of the frequency. So that will give you how much? That gives us 71 divided by 2. That is 2 3s are 6. Okay. So that means it will be 35.5. Okay. Now we have to find out 35.5 over here in this cumulative frequency. So here it will be coming in which class? It will come in this class 32, 40. 35.5. Okay, will be less than 40 now. So it will come in this class. So this becomes your median class. Which is that class? 30 to 40. So here it is your median class. Lower limit will be 30, frequency will be 18, and the cumulative frequency will be 22. This is the way we go for. We find out the median class from this score, that is 35.5, and then we decide the frequency and the cumulative frequency. Now let us write the data for the given information. So your n by 2 is 35.5. Okay. Lower limit L is 30. This is your lower limit. This is your L. Okay, 30. Then what is your frequency? Frequency is 18. Cumulative frequency is 22. What is left now is the width of the class, height. How much is the height or the width of the class? It is 10. Okay. So now we use the formula. Median is equal to L plus, in the bracket, n by 2 plus, sorry, not plus, it is minus n by 2 minus the cumulative frequency upon the frequency multiplied by the width. Correct? So the formula is L plus n by 2 minus the cumulative frequency upon f into h. Let us substitute the values now. This is 30. 30 plus n by 2 is 35.5 minus cumulative frequency is 22, frequency is 18, width is 10. So here you will get 30 plus 35 minus 35.5 minus 22. Have a look here. We have 35.5 minus 22. So 5 will be as it is. 5 minus 2 is 3 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So that gives you 13.5 upon 18 into 10. Fine. So this you will get as 18 plus 13.5 into 10 becomes 135 upon 18. Now this 135 upon 18, if we try to reduce it, 2 9s are 2 6s are 12, okay, 2 7s are 14, 67.5. Further, if we go for, if we divide this 67.5 by 9, have a look here. 67.5 divided by 9. 9 sevens are 63. Okay. So you will get here 7 minus 3 is 4. Decimal point. Why? Because this remainder is smaller than the divisor. Then you will bring down 5. 9 5s are 45. So 1s are, and how many are? 7.5s. So here you will get median is equal to 30 plus 7.5, that makes 37.5. So what do we have to find out? The median age of the persons visiting the museum. So the median age, what are you going to write? The number of person or the median age of the person. Median age of the persons visiting the museum. Visiting the museum is how much? 37.5 years. Okay.